welcome to Codezlux. Many of our students have getting problem that the files are not opening and so on. So today I will teach you how to simply open that files through installing Winzip. So you need to go to the browser and search for winzip.com. You will find interface like this. Just download the file and install it in your PC. Once the installation has done, then go to your classroom. And open the zip file. Download it by clicking the button. When it completes the download process, then go to the download folder and right-click on the file. Unzip it in your specified folder. Once it's done, you will get the same result. So that's all. If you face the problem again, then please comment us, we will be there for you. Thanks. Stay tuned. We will be right back soon.